Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you the important topic that is so when you are connecting your mobile data to laptop or a desktop, it will consume more internet data. So if you want to reduce or save the internet data, so there are two types settings in laptop or desktop you have to do. So step by step I'm going to tell you, please go through that. Just follow me on that. Search bar. So type service, just type service and you will get, and double click on the service option that's showing note service. Double click on that, so the dialog box will open. So just long press on W Windows update, you will get long press in W option. So you can see that Windows update, it's showing manual. So just double click on that, you will get a dialog box. So in that startup type, just select that manual. So you have to choose disabled, choose that disable and apply that. Just apply and okay that, so that you can see that Windows update is disabled. So that much should be disabled. So once you're done with this setting, and you have one more setting, just close this windows. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the second setting. Just click on the internet. So please connect your mobile data to laptop. So I'm connecting, it will take a while, second 5 minutes only. It's connecting now. So you can see my name is showing on mobile data, Kiran. Just connect that. So you will get a properties. So property, the arrow mark is showing that property. Please double click on that. So just drag the cursor. You will get set as a meter connection. It should be on. If it is on, please turn on. So you can see, you can read that paragraph. If you have a limited data plan and want to more control over data usage, so it should be on. This is the second setting. If you do these two settings, you can save your mobile data while connecting laptop or desktop. So if you do these two settings, if you connect mobile data to laptop for 1 day, most probably it will consume only 500 MB. So it will not goes on 500 MB or 600, only 500 MB it will go. So these two settings, if you have to do that. So first one is Windows update disable, and second one is that meter connection should be on. If you like this video, please do subscribe and follow my channel, and hit the like button. Thanks for your support.